I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make conch chowder easy method. Begin by sautéing onions, celery, and bell pepper until soft, then add garlic, spices, tomatoes, and broth. Add tenderized conch and simmer gently until the meat becomes tender and flavorful. Finish with chopped cilantro, a squeeze of lime, and adjust salt and pepper. Serve with crusty bread or rice for a comforting, aromatic meal the whole family will enjoy. Clean conch carefully to remove grit and the tough exterior, then rinse well under cold water to refresh the meat. Light pounding helps break fibers for a tender bite, especially in larger pieces. Marinate briefly in citrus, garlic, and mild pepper to add brightness and soften the texture. When ready, use a gentle simmer to cook the conch so it stays tender and absorbs the chowder flavors evenly. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that stack neatly and keep soups secure for transport. They're great for storing leftover chowder, portioning lunches, or packing beach picnics without leaks. I appreciate every comment and share. Check the description for the link and other deals, and thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Develop a rich base by sweating onion, celery, and bell pepper, then layer in thyme, bay leaf, and a bit of Scotch bonnet for warmth. Add diced tomatoes and a splash of seafood broth to boost umami and simmer to concentrate flavors. If you want a creamier chowder, stir in coconut milk near the end. Balance with lime or a touch of vinegar for brightness before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.